Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the Southwest Airlines baggage rules. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the carry-on allowance, passengers are allowed one carry-on bag and one personal item for free, and the carry-on must fit in the overhead bin and the personal item under the seat. And when it comes to the checked baggage policy, passengers can check up to 2 bags free of charge with a maximum weight of 50 pounds, which is 23 kilogram, and the maximum size of 62 and 157 centimeters for overall dimensions. And when it comes to the oversize and the overweights fees apply for bags that exceed the size or the weight limits, including a $75 fee for bags between 62 and 80 inches or weighing between 51 and 100 pounds. And when it comes to the special items, a variety of sports equipment and special items such as golf bags and skis can be accepted but may incur additional fee or requirement. And it is advisable to check the office website or contact the customer service for more information. And when it comes to the additional baggage fees, passengers can check extra bags beyond the 2 allowed for a fee of 75 each, subject to space availability. And basically the policies may change, so make sure to check on the official website for additional updates. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Cheers.